Hey guys, Marissa from Krietz Customs, showing off this black beauty we have in our lifted inventory at Krietz Auto. This is a 2017 Ford F-150 XLT, and we're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added. Starting off with the wheel and tire package, the wheel is going to be a Moto Metal 962. This size is a 20x9 with a +18 offset. The finish for this wheel is going to be a gloss black and milled, so it's going to be nice and clean, and your millings are going to be on the outside of your spokes. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. The size is a 285/55/20, so a nice aggressive tire. In order to fit this specific wheel and tire package, we had to add a 2.5-inch rough country leveling spacer as well on this truck. If you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our lifted inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is A61721. And if you want to build your truck like this or still have any questions about fitment, make sure you shoot us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs.